This is mercury. Humans are exposed to mercury through skin lightening creams, antiseptic creams and ointments, thermometers, dental fillings, and batteries. Mercury is released into the environment when e-waste, or waste produced when old or broken electronics are burned, and also vaporizes at room temperature. Many countries send their e-waste to developing countries with low wages and little enforced environmental regulations that increased costs for companies. Also, when humans break older thermometers, mercury is released into the environment and can sometimes be accidentally ingested, leading to serious health problems. Mercury can also be found in top predators such as tuna, which collect bits of mercury from all the smaller fish it eats. Effects of mercury include, but are not limited to, neurological damage, birth defects, kidney damage, skin disorders, learning disabilities, mental retardation, paralysis, attention deficit disorders, reproductive system damage, hearing loss, Minamata disease, Mad Hatter's disease, seizures, visual impairment, skin disorders, headaches, and mental illness. According to a study by the Registry of Toxic Effects of Chemical Substances in 1986, the LD50, or lethal dose 50, meaning the level of exposure to mercury where at least 50% of the participants in a lab trial died, was 21 milligrams of mercury per kilogram of body weight for a guinea pig, 29.9 milligrams of mercury per kilogram of body weight for a rat, and 57.6 milligrams of mercury per kilogram of body weight for a mouse. Thus, mercury is less lethal than cocaine, but more lethal than heroin. Instead of mercury thermometers, which date back to the 18th century, some people advocate switching to digital thermometers. These thermometers are faster, more accurate, and also much safer than the mercury thermometers, which have been known to shatter in people's mouths and even cause death. People can also use mercury-free creams and ointments, which are not nearly as dangerous as the balms with mercury in them. Mercury Incorporated would like to thank you for watching this educational video, but would like to remind you that these are only scientific facts. Mercury Incorporated will continue to produce products containing mercury and would love to continue to have your support. Thank you and have a lovely day.